In this activity, we will demonstrate different phases of the moon. For this activity, we have used the torchlight to represent the sun. This ball will represent the moon, and myself holding this camera will represent the viewer on the earth. Switch off the light. The first phase we see is new moon. We will slowly move in anti-clockwise direction. The second phase we see is waxing crescent. The third phase is half moon. The fourth phase is waxing gibbous. The fifth phase is full moon. The sixth phase is waning gibbous. The seventh phase is half moon. And the eighth phase is waning crescent. So in this activity, we have demonstrated different phases of the moon.